Pushing the limits, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase, pushing the limits. This expression is widely used in English, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to push the limits. Pushing the limits refers to testing or extending the boundaries or capacities of something or someone. It's about going beyond what is considered normal or usual. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from physical activities to mental challenges, and even in situations of personal growth. It often carries a connotation of ambition, courage, and sometimes risk-taking. The origin of pushing the limits is somewhat unclear, but it's often associated with fields where boundaries are regularly tested, such as sports, science, or personal development. When you use this phrase, you convey the idea of someone trying to surpass their current abilities or the existing standards. For example, the athlete is pushing the limits of human endurance, or this new research is pushing the limits of science. To better understand how to use pushing the limits, let's look at some examples. 1. In personal growth, she is constantly pushing the limits of her comfort zone to grow as a person. 2. In work or education, this project is about pushing the limits of our knowledge and skills. 3. In physical challenges, the marathon runners are really pushing the limits of their physical capabilities. There are several phrases and words with similar meanings to pushing the limits. These include breaking new ground, testing the waters, stretching the boundaries, expanding horizons, challenging oneself. Understanding these can help you add variety to your English conversations and writing. And that's a wrap on pushing the limits. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about pushing your own limits, so keep practicing and exploring. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.